Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the hospital management system using Python. So you can click on the show doctors, show patient and add department. So let's add the department details like name and a doctor, and then click on submit button so it will store in the database. User can also add the doctor details like full name, date of birth, contact, specialization and department. So let's enter the full name like demo doctor, date of birth, contact, specialization, and the department. So I have entered the demo details and it will store in the database. User can also add the patient details like the full name, demo patient, date of birth, contact, disease, fever, department, medicine and doctor, demo doctor, and then click on submit button so it will store the data. And these are the doctor details, patient details. This will be the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.